What's up guys, welcome to another video. Oh, watch out for the Loch Ness monster in the cave. Good fish! That's quite a good fish though. He is swimming. Oh, beautiful morning. Well, let's do this. Bit of a bar over there. So when you guys go out, just stay away, stay clear of those. Try and keep in the channel where we are at the moment. If you look at the difference, look how flat it is over here compared to the wavy bit. A little bit choppy, there's the drink. Oh! Yeah, hopefully it dies off. Man, what a wild ride. Not the best sort of stuff I've been in. That's so good, it's all about that adventure. Eternal. Welcome to the Mokohina Island. Man, that was a wild ride. But yeah, hopefully it's worth it. Beautiful place, like, beautiful place. Man, there's just caves everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see it in the distance there. That is insane. What do you think? Lekker soos 'n cracker. What's up guys, welcome to another video. We are out at the Mokohina house today. Yeah, it took us about an hour, 20 minutes to an hour and a half to get here. The water was not the greatest. We actually thought it was going to be a really mint day out on the water, but as you can see it's a little bit of slop. But yeah, that's alright. We're out fishing at the moment. Man, and this place, I can tell you, there's so much life around here. We've got a few decent sized snap in the bin already. But yeah, let's see if we can get some more. Take you guys for a bit of an explore. Man, how good is this spot? How blue is this water? Man, this is like, honestly, this is like another world. That is insane. Oh, watch out for the Loch Ness monster in the cave. Man. That is insane. Holy crap, check how clear this is. Man. Anyway, let's go see if we can get a fish. Oh man, this is honestly, this must be one of the best places I've been at. Bit of a crappy ride to get you though. Hopefully it's a bit calm on the way back. Oh, man! Oh, what a place! I want to go check what's in there. Man, how good is this? Nah, let's see if we can get a fish or two. I think that'll be good. Let's see if we can get a couple of good fish in the bin. Then we'll go and explore some more. I have absolutely no idea what this is. Guys, this is such a cool spot. I think what I might do, I might bring the map up on the screen just to show you guys how far we are offshore at the moment. Was a bit of a trip. It's just awesome coming to these remote spots. You always see something new. Oh, what is this? See what I mean? I haven't caught one of these before. Let's look at that color though. Man, look at that. G'day, mate. Can you guys see that? There's like hundreds of birds up there. And there's still like heaps of them coming from over there. They've literally been flying up and down the whole time since we've been here. Fish on! I hope this is a good fish. Please be a good fish. And nah, doesn't feel like a good fish. Ah, it's a cod. I actually haven't caught one of these before. What is it with me catching fish that I have never caught before today? I'm not complaining though. It's always good catching new things. Just get the hooks out of this guy quick and we'll get him back in the water. This one feels a bit better. There we go. It's about time the snapper showed up. Nice little snap. Perfect size. We'll keep this one. Man, I love these soft baits. At it again. Woo, woo, woo. Getting lekker bites here. Come on, Clive. Yes, look at it turning your ski. Gonna give Clive a hand. He's got a nice fish there. Come on.
Bigger than that.
That's quite a good fish though. Just get away from you. Making me in shambles right now. Well, that's good, eh? That's what we came here for.
That's what you came here for.
Eh?
Don't fall off.
No, no, no. This is a feeder, mate. It's not huge, but one for the bin. That was a weird take though. On the drop, so. Welcome to the Mokohinos! Yeah, good fish. It's not huge. Man, it's a lot of work bringing them from so deep, eh? The color. Oh, good fish, man. Good fish. Snap, snap. Woo! Good snap. Good fish. Good fish. Cool, eh? How clear is that, man? Alright, that's us. We're gonna start steaming home. So we are heading that direction. You can't even see mainland. We probably have about an hour and a half to get home. Well, not to get home, to get back to the boat ramp. So just to give you an idea, I don't know if you can see the fuel gauge. So that's on 1 tank of fuel. Hour and a half trip with the jet ski. And we've got just over half tank left. Yeah, that's pretty good. Got an extra 10 liters of fuel, but I haven't used it yet. We might see how far we get and then either pull up at the boat ramp or you'll read about us in the newspaper. Let's go! What's up, guys? We are on our way home now. Man, that was a bit of a a rough day. Beautiful place though, amazing place. But yeah, the trip out there was a little bit rough. It got a few splashes over me. And yeah, the trip back wasn't too bad. Still took us about an hour and a half to get back to the boat ramp. But still, good day. Got a few good fish. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about my setup and what I use. So I thought I'd take the time while I'm driving home just to quickly run through it. I use the 2018 Sea-Doo GTI 90. So it's a GTI with a 900cc engine, so it's a smaller engine than most other jet skis. A lot of people think that it's a bit of a small ski and can't really go too far and all that kind of stuff. And to be honest with you, we're pretty much adventurous and we always want to go to places where people usually don't go. So yeah, perfect ski for that, especially if you don't have a lot of money to spend on a ski. They're quite a bit cheaper than the bigger skis and they can do exactly the same thing. I love this ski. Like it's light on fuel, you can go everywhere when everyone else goes. It's got a top speed of about 70, which is perfect. You're not racing to the places where you go anyway. We're always cruising at about 50, 60. So it's perfect. And every single time we go out, I'm always the one that uses the least amount of fuel. So that's a plus. And the fishing kit that I've got on the back, standard one, you can just pick up from basically any fishing store for about $1,000. So that's for the frame and cooler and everything with it. And that comes with rod holders and everything. Look guys, rainbow! It's like right here. Let's drive to the end of it, get the pot of gold. Oh, there it is! There it is! Just clean the ski. With the water restrictions at the moment, we're not allowed to do it at home. Look at that beauty. Man, good couple of fish today. I'm probably going to make this bad boy tonight. Not too sure how we're going to make him yet though. But yeah, let's get into the filleting. Filleting time! Let's do this.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
Fillets are done. Look at these bad boys.
eternal.
So we've gone with the simple one tonight, just doing some battered fish bites. So we've got our special batter over there, and look at those views. They were swimming a few hours ago. Fish is done. Time for a taste test.
Hey. Woo. Let's dig in. Cheers. Hot. Hot. That's really good. That batter is so delicious. Fresh and bye.
Go. Thanks for watching, guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching.
If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe below, hit like, or comment, let us know what you guys think of the video. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Dinner time.
I
You heard it.
will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.